to find your zip code on Cash App card. So first of all, just simply open your Cash App account, and after that, in order to find out your zip code in the Cash App card, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner of the mobile screen. And over here, when you will scroll down under the accounts and settings option, you will be able to see the option called personal. Just simply tap on it, and over here under the personal information section, you have details like your address, your contact info, and other details. So just simply click on your address section, and there you will be able to find your zip code along with your proper address that you have mentioned while creating your account in the Cash App. And as mentioned earlier in the previous videos as well, that your Cash App card zip code is similar to the Cash App to the address or zip code that you have mentioned while creating your Cash App account in the Cash App itself. And if you wish to change your address, you can simply go ahead to the same settings, and after that just simply edit the address from there also, and you can also change your zip code as well if you like to. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to find your zip code on Cash App card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.